Right here I have a 1983 GT Mustang 5.0 convertible, the actual first year of the convertible. The paint job is probably 8 months old, never been on the road ever since it's been painted. Body is in excellent shape, ground effect kit, blackouts in the headlights, brand new rims and tires all the way around. No joking on that. Very beautiful car. Door handles are shaved. Got the keyless entry to go with it. The rims, brand new tread. Haven't been spun over yet. I've had the car since I was 18 years old. I'm 30 now. It's been about 10 years. I've slowly been redoing it little by little. I have not been in a rush. That explains the tail lights that have not been placed in yet, because I'm in no hurry. I just do it little by little. The car is actually started right now. That thing's off under there. Very, very nice car. Brand new top, convertible top. No rips, no tears. All like new. Paints, everything's new inside. The motor's another story. Very bad to the bone car right here. Babe, can you get in it? Push the gas. Here I'm going to lift up the motor. This is the motor, all MSD ignition, custom exhaust. Custom exhaust, low master exhaust system all the way out. March performance pulley system. Cow induction hood. And as you can see, the paint was done right, guys. This is not no cheap paint job. It's all done underneath the hood. The hood's blacked out underneath, also painted. The rim is painted. Everything is painted like it should be. Got new door panels, new dash pad, interior's in very, very good shape. No problems. I have some stuff on the seats. That's just, these are actually my tail lights, cover the tail lights of the car. New door panels, like I said. All new carpet. All that good stuff.